how to change your crypto.com password online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, get into your crypto.com and make sure you're logged into your account. You can even use the application version of it if you want to. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. You can tap on the menu bar right here, and then you can tap on login right here, then add in all of the credentials of your account in order to log into your account. Then after successfully logging into your account, you can tap on settings on the gear like icon on the top left corner. Then from there you can select security, then you can select change passcode or password, then you can enter your existing passcode or password or verify it by your 2FA, and then input your new password and confirm it. So after doing that, here you will successfully be able to actually change your crypto.com password online. But in case if you have like completely forgotten your password, what you can actually do is simply get into your login page just like this. Then you'll need to enter your email address, then tap on login. Then from there you'll need to enter the password of your account, where you can actually get the option of forgot password under that box. You need to tap on forgot password and then go along with the process, like follow all of the on-screen prompts in order to successfully change the password of your crypto.com password online.